So here are your New Year resolutions. You want to be able to change your financial situation. You want to be able to make an amount of money from the online space. You want to go to the gym and get six packs. You want to meditate every single day. No. Do you want to know what the truth actually is? Only 9% of us will be able to succeed with all these resolutions. And if that sounds harsh, good. Because I want you to understand the severity of the situation. You say 2024 will be your year, but most likely it won't be. Now the question is, why are you still doing it? Frankly, it's not your fault. And here is why. There is a war against your time. Thousands of multi-billion-dollar enterprises have all waged a war against you, and they'll stop at nothing until they win. They won't stop until every last second of your time is spent on their platform. My darlings, there are no accidents on those apps. Nothing is random. Everything is planned, and those billions are all spent to get one thing and one thing only: your attention. You have a limited amount of attention and focus to give. You can't focus on everything. It's impossible. In fact, a recent research has been published in which shows that we spend 46.9% of our day with our minds straight away from the very task that we should be doing. That is almost half of your day gone. To what? Simply not being able to focus. I mean, really think about it. How many times have you gone to just check your phone for a second, and the next thing you know, you spend hours scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms, and you don't even mean to do it. That is how they control you. An average person spends 30% more time on their phones a day. That means the average person will spend 4 hours, 12 minutes on their phones every day. I mean, let's really put this into perspective. In just a few years, your phone has gone from stealing 12% of your entire day in 2019 to over 18%. If you keep going down this road, you will spend a third of your entire life staring at your screen. Is this what you want to become? An expert in what? Do you really want to be that person, the person who sits on the best of his time? We both know what the answer is. Now, let me ask you this question. What material change makes 2024 your pivotal year? Because let's face it, every year you tell yourself this year is going to be my year, but yet it never is. You keep letting yourself down year after year. Well, in fact, scratch that out. You don't only let yourself down because it's much worse than that, but everyone around you, your family, your friends, your loved ones, I mean, even your future bloodline. So the question now is, are you going to be part of the 91% who fail year after year? Or are you going to join me this 2024 to make the year a better year for you? This is a decision you and only you can make for yourself. I used to be part of the 91%, but all that is behind me. And this is your way out. So if you want to join the winning team, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Let's make this year a better year for ourselves and our loved ones.